So we're going to take a look at Codehive Easy CSS. What is it? Well, as you know, when you're programming in the Gutenberg block editor and you need to change your CSS, you need to go through Appearance and into Customize, and you go into Additional CSS and you change your CSS code there, Publish, and then you go back into your Gutenberg block editor. Well, EasyCSS gives you this, so it's very much, and it's exactly the same code that you're using in the Customiser and the Additional CSS. So anything you put in here will duplicate into that, but it's a lot easier to go onto your links on your left hand side in your dashboard and open one page, which is this one, then going into Customiser and then Additional CSS and then Publish. This is a lot quicker and easier to get at. But it's got an additional feature as well, and that is if you go into a page to edit a page, you'll notice at the bottom there's a Global CSS button there. So you click on the Global CSS button and CH Easy CSS loads, and exactly the same CSS code that you've been using elsewhere from the admin panel or from the Customiser appears here on the page you're editing, so that you haven't got to keep diving backwards and forwards. Changes on here, things such as removing footers and changing the fonts and things like that, will appear in here as well for you to see. Format button. If you click the Format button, it doesn't rewrite your code for you. All it does is tidy it up. Get rid of all the gaps and tidy your code up. You can then save your CSS and obviously close the CSS panel. And that is basically all CSS does. It isn't a magic tool for rewriting CSS code for you. It is literally an easier way of using CSS. Of course, you can upgrade to Codehive Easy CSS Pro, which adds a few very interesting features for you. Once you've activated your license, you will see that you've got the same Save CSS button, but you can also download your CSS code and save it onto your computer, so you can generate style sheets to use in different WordPress publications and reload them by uploading the CSS code. So if you've written a CSS code that does something in particular, modifies a graphic, sets a certain font type, you can save it and then upload it onto any other page that you're building. It's got the same format as the free version, but it's also got history. And what history does, and this is also available in the Gutenberg editor, as you see here, it saves work you've been doing. You can preview it and it will change here and tell you it's a preview. So if you've written a bit of code and it's not working, you can go back. You can always step back. You can go back to your current again, or you can restore it if you know that that's the version that you need. And it does save quite a few days worth of work. So that really, in a nutshell, is EasyCSS Pro and EasyCSS.